Welcome to Future Hustle. Today we're revealing the 5 AI tools helping people make over $10,000 a month in 2025. Let's go! Tool number 1. Opus Clip. This AI automatically turns your long videos into viral short clips. Perfect for creators who want more reach without editing. Tool number 2. Notion AI. The all-in-one assistant that plans, writes, and organizes your entire workflow. Used by freelancers and agencies worldwide. Tool number 3. Midjourney 5.6. Designers and marketers are using this tool to sell AI-generated art, thumbnails, and logos. Easy $1,000 plus side hustle. Tool number 4. 11 Labs. Create realistic voiceovers in seconds. Great for YouTube automation, audiobooks, and podcast creators. Tool number 5. ChatGPT with Canva plugin. Combine AI writing with instant designs. Build social media content for clients in minutes. These AI tools are changing the game in 2025. Start your next hustle today, powered by Future Hustle. Outro tone drop. Future tools, smart money, real freedom.